Drummond Scientific's Lateral Flow Assembly displays our development, engineering, and automated manufacturing capabilities. Understanding the urgency and need for an alternative to traditional manual assembly, Drummond Scientific's team of engineers designed and built a high-throughput, automated assembly solution that produces tens of thousands of units daily. Our high-throughput LFA machines are operated in a climate and humidity-controlled environment to reduce the risk of contamination. Multiple inline vision systems are utilized to ensure quality standards are met throughout the manufacturing process and automatically reject cassettes that fall outside of required specifications. Completed tests are packaged with desiccant in custom-printed pouches and tested for proper seal. Complementing the automated manufacturing process, Drummond Scientific engineered and designed a universal lateral flow cassette that is optimized for high-throughput manufacturing. Test developers that design their assays using the Drummond Scientific Universal Lateral Flow Cassette can reduce their costs and produce tests that are ready for high-throughput manufacturing. Tests that we know are important because at Drummond Scientific, we manufacture products that create and save lives.